$3,000 retainer for 3 months. We're first years.
First years.
Yeah.
I don't have you.
Bro, I thought he was gonna be like a wise sushi sensei.
It's gonna be like a serious session.
Lorena's gonna be like, why don't you text me? I'm gonna go on airplane mode. Have you ever seen Squid Games? Have you seen Squid Game? I'm aware that this is Japanese fusion, not Squid Games. However, that may or may not work. I don't know, but we're in college figuring it out.
What are you doing?
Recording video
Oh,
for school.
really?
Yeah.
What kind of video?
Just talking.
Can I watch your...
Might make us a little nervous.
Alright,
Yeah.
no problem.
Yeah, thank you though. All right. So I'm nervous to talk about like how we like landed the client. So we literally closed this deal. Like I recorded a free video for them a month ago, and that's the key thing with cold approaching is you want to walk in there and give. They're gonna think that you walk in there to take their money. You actually walk in there to give, and most people are not willing to do that. So I walked in there, recorded a free video. The owners weren't there. You usually want to find the decision makers as soon as possible. That's like such an important thing because you don't want to waste your time talking to like a waiter or waitress who can't make any decision for you, can't help you out or move the deal forward. So I recorded a video a while ago. I edited it out, it's beautiful, I'll probably play it on the screen. And I pitched the idea to them, and the beautiful thing about social media marketing agencies is you're really helping out businesses, and especially when you come to them with a free video, 90% of the time, especially if you do everything right, there's a little bit of like nuance there where you know how to sell, you know how to carry yourself, all that stuff. You do check all the boxes. Most of the time, they're waiting for someone just like you. She sat outside, we talked about it, I did a little selling, I ran through the stuff that you're probably gonna hear me talk about in the other episodes, like how to sell this. But quick overview, like that day that I talked to her, the owner for the first time, she was like, okay, send me a contract, we'll get it done and sign it tomorrow, and then we'll start the day after. So 3 days later, here we are, $3,000 retainer for 3 months, and we're in college, bro.
Yeah,
we're first years.
We're first
dude.
years,
Yeah. So that being said, I'm thinking of like, let's just kind of throw out ideas.
For now, I think something more visually appealing, like displaying like the plates, or like we can ask like the owner like how the restaurant started. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't think the owner's gonna be here today, but which is why I didn't really bother planning with her.
Okay.
But yeah, go on.
But at least like if we have someone that has like experience working here or something like that.
Sushi chef.
Oh shoot, that would be great.
So we'll interview the sushi chef for sure, and we could talk about like how he makes the sushi, and like in the video we could have him getting interviewed and then overlay sushi stuff on top of it.
Oh, that would be great.
Him cutting up. We could even say like, hey, here's how to make a super easy blah blah blah. Because the best way to get also these videos pushed out is information.
Yeah.
So like teaching almost, or here's the correct way to eat sushi.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that one.
That would be
Okay,
great.
so we have just a visually appealing one,
Yeah.
right? Because there's also different types of videos that you can make here. You can make videos that just outreach,
Yeah.
right? And bring these eyes back. But in order to convert these eyes into actual customers, you want the visually appealing aspect and like flexing how beautiful the restaurant, how good the food is,
Yeah,
right? So it's like a little mixture of the two. Super important thing. And keep in mind too, we can overlay like based on whatever food they make for us to shoot, we can use it for different clips. So let's say we're talking about the all you can eat, all the videos that we took of the different foods, we could just also use that for that. Bang, let's do this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right now, yeah, go ahead.
Do I just slide back in there or can I?
I guess.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? Lorena sent us, we're with the videographer. Did she mention anything?
No, not right now.
Oh. Oh, she didn't tell you? Okay. So we're here to shoot,
I don't have you.
we signed a deal yesterday.
Might be better to talk to, I think Stan might know.
Who?
Stan, he's in the mask.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Alright.
It is what it is.
Hey, I'm Davon. Lorena and we started a deal for social media, and we came here today to shoot. I told her that we were gonna come tomorrow, but I also had a spare like hour to shoot, so then, yeah.
Okay, let me call the Lorena.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so here's the little trick. Lorena's gonna be like, why don't you text me? I'm gonna go on airplane mode, and I'm gonna send her a text, and then I can be like, oh shit, it didn't deliver. Like, oh my bad. Yeah, don't do this. We're looking to shoot today at 7:30. So like it's gonna send. We got airplane mode and oh wait.
Oh shit.
Hey.
Lorena.
Yeah. Hey Lorena. So I was going to originally come send you a message that we could come tomorrow because I was super packed today. However, I was in the area and I figured that we could just shoot 3 or 4 pieces of content to get started today. It'll be super simple. I just need your chef to make like 2 like sashimis. Simple stuff. Is that all good?
Okay, good.
No problem.
No problem.
Thank you. Let's go. We could do the thing I was paid to do. She said to let you guys know ahead of time, like what to make, but I don't think we need anything crazy today. So even just some nigiris.
Perfect.
Have you seen Squid Game?
No.
Oh yeah.
I've seen like videos, like short videos of it, but not really.
There's a big thing in Squid Game where like the guy goes like this at the end of the video, and I'm gonna have her do that to the kid. What we're doing right now, we're trying to figure out what the hell we're supposed to do. So I went on TikTok and I looked up some like Japanese viral videos of like regarding sushi and stuff like that. And we found one where it's like how to eat wasabi. I knew that there's like a way to eat wasabi, so I just kind of actually looked up wasabi Japanese real way,
I had
whatever.
no idea.
Yeah, we're literally just copying the copyright, or AKA like the scripting for this, and then we're gonna just make it better, and then boom, that's the recipe for success.
Yeah. I don't know. I low key just. Wait, I was gonna say something.
What?
I was gonna say I just put that shit in my mouth.
So basically, like the script idea is like you have to do like a couple of like backflips.
Too easy.
Light work. He does not like us, bro. So we gotta get him to make us a nigiri. Bro, I thought he was gonna be like a why sushi sensei or something like that, bro.
I thought it was gonna be like mysterious. Actually.
Have you ever seen Squid Games? I'm aware that this is Japanese fusion, not Squid Games. However, it could be ideal for algorithm and for trends.
Right.
If at the end of the video you hit the little Thanos right here, you could take the whole thing. I don't want to mess these chopsticks up, but you just mix them up and then make sure that like the little pieces, and this is important because otherwise your nose, you know, the whole wasabi spicy thing, you're gonna get cooked. And then you're gonna have to hit the like that. So,
Is it
right
this
to
way?
the camera.
Yeah,
here.
right to the camera. Yeah.
You got it?
Okay.
Come on, you're Korean, I thought.
Like smile or something?
So just make sure when you mix it, you do that.
So like how would you just like act it out?
Okay,
With the voice and everything.
Alright, let's go. YouTuber Carlos right here.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see the script first.
I mean, exactly
It's a line, bro.
So if it's
Oh,
different-
just the first line?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
You're eating wasabi completely wrong.
Like that?
But like less Hispanic.
You're eating wasabi completely wrong. When you mix it with soy sauce, you make
Alright, so not terrible first time. We got a total of 1 video done. But the shirts that they were wearing, I think they're gonna give us some shirts and we're just gonna act it out ourselves. Cause plus we're like low-key better looking as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's low-key the move, and then we can just crank out content. Look, I mean, I want to keep this super raw, unedited, all of that. So like that may or may not work. I don't know, but this is what we're here for. We're part of the journey, and yeah, we're in college figuring it out.
No problem.
We are now going to grub up.
Are you guys just filming for fun, or do you guys have
I run a content agency, so we film for restaurants, but what we're gonna do is we're taking people along the journey with us. We just finished filming for a sushi restaurant,
Okay.
and then we just come here and eat sushi because you guys are better. One thing you do when you're doing your work, just leave your like headphones out and just bring your camera with you, and I'm telling you, like connections will happen. People will be curious, people will just like ask about it, and then you could tell them, right? Obviously this is a chain, so I'm not trying to sign them, but literally I guarantee you if you go to a coffee shop, something like that, the owner or whatever, even owners of other businesses
businesses, yeah.
will come.